Modern-day explorers looking for gold in East Otago drilled their first holes in 1983. They were chasing gold-bearing ore beneath the tussock around the village of Macraes, where gold had been mined from 1862 up to the 1950s. By 1990, after years of exploration, planning and construction, the Macraes Mining Company poured its first gold bar. The original plan? Just 7 years of mining. But Macraes had other ideas. Through the 1990s, Macraes grew. Miners, engineers, and geologists faced tough times, low gold prices, and long hours. Their ingenuity and grit kept the operation alive, and by 1995, Macraes had poured 500,000 ounces of gold. Innovations like the pressure oxidization autoclave, commissioned in 1999, boosted gold recovery by 40%, extending the mine's life and setting new industry standards. The new millennium brought more milestones. The mine expanded, new pits were constructed, and the company grew to become OceanaGold. In 2006, the Fraser's underground mine began operations. From the same year, ore mined at the company's newly developed Reefton gold mine travelled by rail and road to finish as gold bars at Macraes. By 2010, OceanaGold Macraes operation celebrated its 3 millionth ounce of gold. The workforce grew, and so did the sense of community. Over the next 5 years, OceanaGold continued to grow, adding mines in the Philippines, Waihi, and South Carolina. By 2019, 5 million ounces of gold had been poured, and it wasn't done yet. As the Macraes operation continued to produce, the company continued to grow. In April 2026, OceanaGold listed on the New York Stock Exchange. A company started in East Otago, New Zealand, was now trading on the world's biggest financial stage. In July 2026, the 6 millionth ounce of gold was poured. OceanaGold Macraes is a Kiwi success story that has been hard-won by the vision and dedication of over 4,000 employees and many more contractors who have worked at the mine over nearly 4 decades. Today, the mine stands as a testament to endurance and innovation. With over 173 million tonnes of ore mined, the Macraes operation is a cornerstone of New Zealand's gold mining story. The mine holds the New Zealand record for the most ounces poured from a continuously operating gold mine. OceanaGold Macraes continues to evolve, embracing new technologies and a strong commitment to safety, sustainability, environment, and community. As the mine looks to the future, it's a story that is far from over. A legacy forged from rock and built by the enduring spirit of its people, shining just as bright as the gold that it produces.